2 3 RR winner and a break-even, all from one simple concept, the SBR zone. Today I am breaking down exactly how I traded support become resistance on the gold, step by step, so you can do the exact same thing tomorrow. Let me show you the structure like this. This is the yesterday market structure. There was a two main structure from where I took the trade. This is the first structure. So as I already show you in the my strategy video, this is the zone, and another zone is this, is the another zone. In the break of structure, there will be the two zone like this, first, second, and when the market tap into this level, I went to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, you can see it gives the black candle confirmation like here, like this, and I took the trade and it went up to 1.56 RR. Then I put my trade into the break even and it hit my break even like this. This is the first trade, and the second trade is here. You can see this is the second trade. When it reaches to this zone, which is the SBR zone, like this, you can see on the 15-minute time frame, there is the SBR zone. This is the SBR zone. After it tap into the SBR zone, it gives the black candle confirmation like this, and it successfully hit 1:3 RR. And then after the market again reach into this level, as I already told you, this zone won't be invalid until it broken like this, and you can also see in my strategy video where I just uploaded in the YouTube. And then again it forms the black candle here. You can see when it reached into this zone, and I took my trade and SL at this point, and it also successfully 1:3 RR. And now I am waiting for the market. Now I am waiting for the market at this level, and then another at this level like this. And you can see if it goes like this, it will form the bullish structure. It will form the bullish structure like this. Then this zone won't be tradable, because this one will be the counter trade zone. And let's see how it goes. And if market gives me confirmation at this level, and this will be the definitely nice trade. And why this work? Because I did not overcomplicate it. I found a clear breakup structure. I marked the SBR zone and I waited for the entry on the lower time frame. And if you want to be consistent, you have to be okay with the break-even trades. You have to be okay with not making money on the valid setup, because it means you also didn't lose money on it. Protect your capital and be 3R wins. Take care of the rest. If this helped you understand SBR zones better, drop a like and let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more daily trade breakdown using the MS-SNR strategy. And if you want to see make these setups live step by step in the real time, join the Discord. Watch this next video to see the full MS-SNR strategy explained from scratch. See you in the next one.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.